Hello guys, I am Mohit and today we will going to solve the lab which is creating a persistent disk onto Google Cloud Skill Boost. This is a part of the basics Google Cloud Compute course. This is a second lab of the course in order to complete the course. So let us start the lab first. So these are process you need to follow to start a lab in Google Cloud Skill Boost. You have to select only motorcycles and click verify. Launch with 1 credit. The credit is being provided by GDG NBNSCOE. So as you can see, I have started the lab and got the access to Google Cloud Compute or Google Cloud Console. So let us log in with these credentials. Click on use another account. Enter this username which is provided here. So enter a password which is provided to you. It is a temporary access to Google Cloud. Click on no thanks. You do not have to create a new Chrome profile. Then start with your first setup and requirements. Come down here, scroll down and activate a cloud shell first. So activating a cloud shell from here. Once you click on here, the cloud shell will be activated in Google Cloud. As you can see, it is already created our account with our project ID. Project ID is found here. It is a temporary access to Google Cloud. So we are connecting to our cloud console. It will take a bit of time because it will load everything. So wait for some time. So once this is loaded completely, you will see welcome to Cloud Shell and your project ID will be shown here. So now let's continue to the task. Click on auth list, copy this and paste it here. So click on authorize. It will run an authentication and give you a list of authorizations. Then come down here, copy this config list and paste it here. This is just optional step. You have to check whether your cloud shell is running as intended or not. So now this is for set up the region and zone. You have to set up your zone and region for this lab. So run this codes. As you can see, I have US East 4. So as you can see, it has been updated. Now create variables like for region. I have created a variable called region and applied it as US East 4. Then creating a variable for zone, that is US East 4A. So as you can see, I have completed the setup parts, and now let us continue to the first task, which is Google creating a new instance. Okay, so this is the code that we have to copy and paste it here. So it will create a virtual machine named as GC lab, and the zone will be set as zone where is US East 4, and the machine type would be E2 standard. So once you run this, you will have this output. So as you can see, this is the output. So this is successfully created. Now click on check my progress. So we have completed the task 1 successfully. Then come to the task 2. Add the disk space as 200 GB. Google Cloud. It will create a disk space with 200 GB of space, and as you can see, it has been created. So you can see this is the output and it pretty much matches with our output. So let us check my progress. So then attaching a disk, you have to attach a persistent disk. So copy this command and paste it here. It will automatically list this disk with GC lab, which is our virtual machine. So as you can see, this is attached to it. So run this command to start SSH and click yes. So here you have to enter nothing and click enter, and again you have to enter again without entering anything. As you can see, it has created a passphrase for it. So this is SSH which we are accessing from Google Cloud. Let us run a Linux command here. Let us try to run. As you can see, it has listed the disks and all. So as you can see, it has pretty much output to same as given. Then we'll run a command in Linux to create a new directory. So here the next step is to create a new disk named as ext4. So this is the command. We will be copying and pasting it here and click enter. Once it's done, it is the output. So it is clear, and now this command is to mount the disk. So enter this command and mount the disk. So it has been mounted successfully. Now so this is the we have to edit it in a nano, which is okay. So you have to enter this you have to copy this and at the following line here in the UID. So you can work with your keyboard to enter UUID equals to this one, which is set to defaults. You actually have that, so no need to again add that. Once this added, So you have to control X, you have to click Control X and then click Y to exit this, and file name to write you have to keep as it is and click on enter. Then we have successfully added the UUID. Then click on check my progress. So if it's getting some problem, let us again try to do it. Let's open it again. It will open in a, so we have to copy this and go to here and UUID equals to, so this is added, and click Control X and Y and keep the name as it is and click enter. Now run the command again, or we have to check our progress, right? So let us check our progress here as we have mounted the device. So as you can see, we have completed all the tasks listed in this lab. Can you this is some sort of, so you can go with this, and I have successfully completed that. Choose in correct order. What is attach disk, create disk, create disk, create instance, create disk, create instance, create disk. So you can try this. This has multiple choice and multiple so you can get it right in multiple attempts, so that's not a problem. We are only required to complete this task as intended. Then as you can see it, I have 100% score, so I can end this lab quickly. So ending this lab will provide me with a successful completion of this lab. So thank you so much.